Let's talk about real estate. As you know, if you're a member of the tribe here at bestofusinvestors.com, my side gig is real estate. I have a real estate license. I just deposited a check for $40,000 for a $1 million trailer park that I sold. I also am developing land, and I've got two houses on spec that I'm building, and I've got two houses that I will start building within probably 30 days in my Hampton Gates development. So I'm very attuned to real estate. This afternoon, I'm working with my real estate broker. I want to teach the agents in my office more about how to set up a side gig, a business account, so that you can take advantage of the tax advantages of running a business and running your money through a business, so that you can have a business relationship with a banker, so that you can show cash flow going through a business account through which you can then borrow money either to create a flipping business or to create, like I am, a construction home building business. This is all part of my side gig, and that's what I'm suggesting you do. But let's look at what's going to happen in the real estate market, because I think there are some opportunities that are going to come as a result of the event, the pandemic. We know that there is a good percentage. I really don't know how many people are out of work, and not the number just keeps bouncing around. And with the airlines furloughing a lot of people, we know the numbers have just gone up. We know that the virus is going through a second wave, and we're going to close down small businesses probably again, and more people will go out of work. Well, we know also the forbearance program will go away. So I think it's realistic to say that we have two separate economies: those who are making over $150,000 a year and working, and those who haven't been making are making under $150,000 a year and aren't working, and their homes are in jeopardy. Their homes are going to, probably after the first of the year, they're either going to have to sell them at some reduced prices, or they're going to be foreclosed on, and that whole foreclosure market will open up again. So you, as a real estate agent or as a person who wants to take advantage of the situation that's going to present itself, need to be aware of this and say, okay, I need to create this relationship with a bank so that after the first of the year, when these houses come on the market, and they will be not the expensive homes, but the inexpensive homes. In my city, that's going to be anywhere from $150,000 to probably $300,000. And what we're going to look for, if we want to be in this business with a business account with a bank, we want to find an opportunity either to flip a house or to buy a house at a discounted price, fix it up, and turn it into rental property. And then once we turn it into rental property, we want to have a investment vehicle, either a 401k or a SEP, or an IRA or a Roth IRA, where we can channel, if it's rental property, the incomes that we're receiving there into this qualified investment that can grow tax deferred over the coming years. So an opportunity is going to present itself, but we have to be in a position to take advantage of that opportunity and build our wealth. Our objective is to earn money. Yes, whether you're investing in the stock markets, whether you're investing in real estate, your number one objective is to earn money. The second objective is to keep as much of that money as you can and take advantage of the tax laws. The number one way to keep more of what you make is to have this business account, either a sole proprietorship, a partnership, a subchapter S, an LLC, or if you're really big, a corporation. But that's really not. You need to understand, and I'll do some videos. I'll sit down with some CPAs and we'll explain exactly how that works and what the positives and the negatives are from the other structures. But where you want to get is that you have additional income that you can then shelter for your retirement, for your kids' college education. There's 529 programs that give you some advantages. These are the things you need to be doing above and beyond your normal day job. So real estate is going to be affected, and there are going to be some buys in the real estate market, just like there are going to be buys in the stock market. There is going to be a net effect of this pandemic. When the relief programs are over, when the free money stops flowing, there's going to be a reaction, a consequence, and that's where you need to be in a position to step in and take advantage of it. The other one that is, I don't know how to take advantage, but is going to be huge, is commercial real estate. Because our malls are going to change. Our strip malls are going to change. Our individual stores on Main Street are going to change. And if you know and can figure out what is going to go away and you're going to be able to buy at a very discounted price and then turn it into something else, you're going to be a big winner. That's where the big money is. If you can figure out what to do with those malls, what to do with those office buildings that are now going to be only 50% occupied, because we've now learned we can do our work at home and we can meet on Zoom and the other streaming options that we have available. That is going to change the commercial real estate market dramatically. I don't have the answer. I'm searching for the answer, and that's why I have this tribe. One of you has this answer. One of you knows, hey, Carrie, this is what's going to happen because I'm involved in this, and I see it happening, and I can share it. Well, how does that work? Well, first, you become a part of bestofusinvestors.com. You go to this website and you give me your name and your email address. The next morning, I will send you a morning letter. In my morning letter, I give you my readings on the stock market, what I'm going to do. I share some news articles with you. I share some emails that I've received from other tribe members with you. And then I also give you a link to our Discord. Our Discord is what I call our village. This is where our members gather together and we share ideas. This is where I have my insights, where I share my trading activities, where I share the very specifics about what I'm doing in my real estate business and how, in fact, I build and what kind of profits I make on that. I'm not going to share that personal information here, but I will share it in the Discord. What I want you to share in the Discord then is, just as an example, how am I going to benefit and how can I position myself relative to commercial real estate? How can I position myself? If you work in the oil fields in Saudi Arabia, how can I position myself to what's going to happen relative to oil? What's going to happen relative to solar energy? What's going to happen relative to gold and silver? I can't compete with the quantum computers that the hedge funds have. But if I have your help and you have my help, and we have 500,000 of us there together sharing information, we're a tough opponent. But we got to get there. And you got to subscribe to the channel. You got to like the videos. You got to help propel this that you're going to be a part of. And you're then going to not only learn how to, from the tribe, how to make more money in the stock market, in the real estate market, in whatever market, but you're also going to learn how to keep more of it. I don't pay much in taxes because my money is sheltered, because I have businesses that I run through that I expense, my car, my office, my travel. I'm going to go spend 2 weeks at the beach in November, and I'm going to be shooting videos every day down there. Now, am I going to be able to write off that whole trip? No, but I will be able to write off part of it because it is a business adventure. We're going to talk about the luxury homes on the beach. We're going to talk about buying a condo on the beach. So I will be able to write off some of my cost of going 2 weeks to the beach and being with my family on Thanksgiving. That's what smart business is all about. That's what smart investing is all about. It's not chasing the diamonds in the rough. It's not going through the coal mines and searching for diamonds. It's getting smart about how you invest and gaining knowledge from other people. And that's what the tribe is all about. So real estate is going to present a tremendous opportunity after the first of the year, after we get through the forbearance, after we get into the consequences of the pandemic. You need to be in position to take advantage of it. And real estate is going to be a big, big payoff.